Hey guys, it's been a little while since I got my last video out. I'm using a new camera today. It's an HD camera that I had gotten about, 8 years ago. But I always thought it took some good videos, so we'll see how this video compares to just using the old camera on my laptop over here. But today we're going to talk about how hot it is outside. It is hot. It is freaking hot, and we have a lot of humidity. And then you get these wicked storms that have come through. I watched lightning strike my neighbor's tree. I think it was on Friday or something like that. So that was a little scary. So with the heat, I want to talk about probably what I consider to believe the most important invention in human history, and that is air conditioning. So air conditioners usually run about 50% of your electric bill, especially around here, sometimes even more. I know my bill during the winter is not even close to what it is during the summer. But there are two things I want to talk about as far as how to save yourself some money on maintenance costs, how to keep your system running a little better. They're really inexpensive things to do, but it's amazing how far they go, especially over the years since I've been doing this. And the first item is keeping your coils cleaned. The big condenser outside, the big thing outside with the fan. If you just buy yourself some of this, it's called coil cleaner. It's about $6, $6.50 or something at Lowe's or Home Depot. You spray this on those fins and you just let it eat away at all the dust. And then just hose it down. You'll be amazed at all the gunk and dirt that just comes falling out of those air conditioning systems. The reason this is important is because that dust keeps that air it keeps the system being able to run pretty efficiently. A lot of times I'll get recommendations as why not just hose it down with the water. That's fine. You're going to hose it down after you put this stuff on it. But if you use too much pressure, those fins are actually pretty fragile. And if you see some older system, it looks like someone's punched it and beat it up. That might be because someone's been hosing it down with the wrong pressure, and then those fins, instead of being like this, they're folded like this. And so then it doesn't run as efficiently as the system needs to be. Especially if you have an old system that's still running, pretty good. You spray this stuff on it, let it foam up, hose it down with, a regular stream of water, and that right there is going to save you some trouble down the road, or at least extend the life of a system that you have now, so you don't have to deal with, maybe an expensive repair earlier than you might need to. The second thing is air filters. I'm a huge proponent of making sure you change your air filters. Why? Because this guy's got allergies. And it wasn't until I got allergies, I didn't start getting allergies till 10 years ago maybe. All of a sudden I ended up with allergies. So I had gotten to the point where I was changing filters at my house and I wanted to stay on a schedule. And that's the key. But I would never stay on the schedule. I wouldn't know if I had changed it 2 months ago or 6 months ago. So to make your life easy, and the way I've made my life easier is go to filtereasy.com. They're not paying me to say this. I just think it's a really cool idea. There's a couple of companies out there that do this, but filtereasy.com, they're actually changing their name to Seconds Nature. I just got an email about it. But anyway, it's pretty simple. You set up a free account. You type in your address, you tell them what filter sizes you want and how often you want them, and they just come to your door. Just like everything else we do, everything else we do comes to the door. Why not just get your air filters come to the door? When they show up at the door, you know it's time to put the new ones in. I get mine every 3 months. I have some bigger systems, and because I have two, I don't have to change them out as much. But it's been great. It's the one less thing I have to think about when it comes to maintaining my home. Again, and the prices aren't any different than if you go buy them at the store. I spend $16 for one, and I spend $22 for another one because I have two. They're the same price at this website, and I don't pay for any shipping. And that's something I think the shipping is built in, so I don't even pay for shipping on these items. And even if I did, the convenience. It makes sense. So, it's 100-something degrees outside. The air conditioner is going to be running, and you want it to run as efficiently as possible so it doesn't crap out, in August when it's 110 degrees outside. So, buy yourself some of this. It takes you 20 minutes to foam it and then spray it down, and then set yourself up an account at filtereasy.com. Get your filters started. You get them on a schedule, and you'll thank me later with just how much more efficient it seems your system may be running. It may not even run as long because it can cool faster. So I hope this was helpful to you guys, and I got a couple other interesting topics coming up this week, and who knows, there may be a rum taste by the end of the week. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.